Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. It's not that much of a cold day here in December, and yeah, it's a nice sunny day today. So without further ado, let's take off. Alright, so drone's now in the sky. As you can see, we're just going to go up, do our usual 360-degree photo, and then we are just going to zip around. So yeah, we're in Clayhall Park in East London. I've not flown in this park before, so yeah, so it should be a nice little drone flight. So just going to go to the max height, and then we're going to do a 360-degree photo for Google Maps. So let's do a 360-degree photo. I'll keep the drone here. Alright, 360-degree photo is now complete. We're now just going to zip around. So yeah, I hope there's points of interest here because I've come here. But it's just literally a residential area. But we can get nice shots in this area. So as you can see, the sun's a little bit low down in the sky today because it gets, in the winter, it gets dark really quickly and the sun is usually low in the sky. So yeah, it was sunnier before, but because now the sun is low in the sky, it's a little bit more harsher shadows. So you can kind of tell it's winter. So let's just keep going down, let's explore this area. Let's see if there's any points of interest in this area. So we'll just go around here, let's explore what's down here. Looks like a nice open area, nice shots. I don't know why the drone is moving like that, it's because of the wind. What we'll do, we'll just start heading back now. So as you can see, we've got a road down here. Let's get a nice shot of this road as well. So I don't know why the drone's moving like that. What we'll do instead, we'll just start heading back. Look at that shine, look at that. That's amazing. I don't know why we're moving like that. Maybe in that area there's a gust of wind, this is crazy, because I think we're high up in the sky. That's why the gimbal is moving like that. It's not the drone, it's just the gimbal. It looks weird. But it was just the gimbal that's just... The wind is moving the gimbal. That happens quite frequently when there's a gust of wind when we're high up. It's probably just a bit of turbulence, but that's normal when we're high up because low down here I don't feel any single wind, which is crazy. So what we're going to do, we're just going to... Only problem is the sun's a little bit harsher in the winter. In the winter we just get harsher shadows. Much better. We get much better shots during the summer. See, the gimbal's just moving again like that. It's kind of annoying. It ruins the shot. It doesn't look that smooth. It's not even that windy today, but it's just up there it's windy. So let's get a shot of this area down here. Because the wind's coming from this way, what we're going to do, let's explore the west side of Clayhall Park first. Let's explore that. Or we'll go southwest. So just keep going down, get a nice shot. So just go straight down. Get a nice stock footage. Because usually I try and get drone shots and I try and you can make stock footage and upload on websites like Pond5. I'm trying to do that. All right, so we'll just go down towards this area down here. Just see what's happening down here. See, it's not really that sunny in this area. What we'll do, we'll follow this bus back. Get a nice shot. Actually, we don't go as fast when you go sideways. We go fast when you go towards this way. So the bus has stopped right over here. And you could go faster in sports mode, but I want to save battery. I wanted to keep up with the bus, but we kept up with it anyway, so we're right here. See, the sun's pretty much gone down now. See, the sun's, as soon as I come out, the sun's gone down. The days don't really last long here in the winter. We're in one of the shortest days of the year. Let's go completely vertical of the bus. You know what, let's just carry on going. See, the bus can keep up with us with the drone. I mean, the bus is going faster than it anyway. Because we're only going at 20 miles an hour with the drone. And we're at the major junction here. I guess this is kind of like a point of interest. There's a little roundabout here. We're getting a nice shot of it. Let's stay above it for quite a bit. Get a nice shot. Look at that. Let's get a shot of it for a bit. In the summer, when you get longer days, the sun's high up in the sky, so you get much better shots. What we'll do is just go ahead towards the main part down there. We get a nice shot of this area down here. We won't go that far actually. What we can do next time, we'll take off in this area. This is an area in East London called Gants Hill, so we're going to take off. We could take off from, I don't know where we can take off from in this area, but we can find a place in that area to take off from. We're just there around here. And then what I do, what I'll do, I'll just get a static shot of this area down there. Just keep getting a static shot and we're going to land because we haven't got much battery left. Yeah, what I'll do in my next few drone flights, I could get a drone shot in the area where I was going to go, but somehow the drone just disconnected. And the sun's come out now, as you can see. So we'll just get a nice orbit shot. Won't stay there for too long. Let's go to the north side of the area. Not north side, we're in south side now. And we're at 24%, so what we're going to do, let's just turn around. You know what, let's get a low down shot of the road down here. We'll get sports mode. We can track it. Look at that. That is an amazing shot, look at that. What we'll do, we'll just land the drone now. All right, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Clayhall Park. I hope you enjoy this drone flight. Subscribe for more drone flights like this. I usually go all around London doing drone flights. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to end this video now. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.